Yeah, family, friends, and followers. Dr. Jimmy Henderson again, cognitive scientist, metaphysician. Uh, in previous talks, I've mentioned the power of the subconscious mind in determining your inner experience and your actual perception. I also gave you techniques uh, to connect and to build this relationship with your subconscious mind, including affirmations and the setting of intentions and dream interpretation. I actually want to discuss now another one with you, which just reminded me something that I used years ago to connect and communicate with the subconscious mind. We need to understand that our subconscious mind is trying to communicate with us all the time through impressions, ideas, images. The problem is that we block it out because our mind is so busy. So I remember a time when I used the power of nature to actually communicate and open myself up to the inner workings of the subconscious mind. The way this is done is through contemplation. Now, contemplation is pretty much like a walking meditation. As I've said to you before, you can't normally connect with the subconscious mind during normal thinking because the mind is too busy, and the subconscious mind works on a slightly on a deeper level. So therefore you need to enter a slightly altered state of meditation or contemplation in order to communicate and receive communications from the subconscious mind. So the technique here is to actually take a walk in nature, is to walk through a natural area, whether it's your garden or a valley or a nature reserve, or even in Drakensberg, the Berg, on the mountain, somewhere where you are alone, where you can enter this sort of contemplative state, where you can let go of all this negativity, let go of all the thinking, and reach like a very peaceful contemplative state. So the state of contemplation then is like a mixture of openness and perception, without all the activity of the mind. A sort of very relaxed state. So the idea is to try and enter this relaxed state as you walk along along your path, mountain path or nature path, and start relaxing, and just start looking around you, becoming aware of all the beauty and all the features that you see, and then when you feel ready, start talking to yourself. Start talking to yourself. In other words, and try and use deep thoughts and deep understanding. This is contemplation. In other words, I see all this beauty around me, the beauty of nature. And then ask yourself questions. Where does it come from? I see this beauty of nature. I see these flowers. I wonder, what is the source of all these flowers? What is happening? And then suddenly, even now at this moment, the word energy pops into my mind. And you'll find that while you're asking these questions, you're actually questioning your inner self, which is your subconscious mind. And if you do it correctly, you will receive then impressions, thoughts, ideas, and possibly even images. Like I actually did it now, and the thought that came to me when I said, I actually, in fact, have a beautiful garden at the back here that I'm looking at through the window at the moment. Very beautiful garden, full of flowers and bushes. And I said to myself, look at all the nature around me. Everything is so beautiful. I wonder where this all comes from. And the word that popped into my mind was energy. That just popped into my mind. And also there's another idea, as I said, it can actually happen in the form of images, which is called spontaneous mental imagery, SMI, which has become quite an important field of study in psychotherapy now, because psychologists have realized that it actually opens you up to the subconscious mind. So I want you to try this at home or when you're walking, and you want to connect and build this relationship with your subconscious mind, which will give you wonderful insights into yourself, wonderful experiences during prayer and meditation, and open you up to visions and impressions and feelings, and which will only help you along with your So in conclusion, I want to introduce you to two of my books which will help you with this connection with the subconscious mind, connecting with the higher levels of reality. The one is Understanding Reality, uh, and the other one is Understanding Metaphysics. These two books are available on Amazon, Drafted Digital, and many other sales platforms. And they will definitely help you. They'll give you the techniques you need for these connections, for meditations, for unfolding your subconscious mind, and learning to work actively with it. Thank you.